Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video we are going to see how runtime interest will be calculated. So just have a look. So from here let's go to the master setup and I will go to the setting option. So here I have created some settings that you can see from here. So first log period in month 1 and calculate runtime interest by end date, yes, and calculate runtime interest after 1. So some settings I have created. Now I will go and here in the product scheme, if you check, I have created some product scheme. So for example, let's check this 1 month locking period personal loan I have created for 3% monthly interest, and here I have selected runtime interest for 6 months. So here I will select, let's select 1 month, and so from here I will just save this. So I have created another 1 month locking period scheme, that is for 1 month. So after that I will search one customer from the search bar. Let's search one customer. So here I have created this customer. Let's click on the loan option. So here I will select, let's say 1 month. This second one I will select 1 month locking period. So here I will take, let's say 5,000, and from here I will just calculate. So here you can see that 5,000 is the pay installment, 5,150 for 1 month. So after that I will go and select, here I want to disburse this loan as backdated. So let's say 1st September, and from here I will just save this loan. So loan number 4 has been saved. Let's search loan number 4 from the search bar. So here you can see loan number 4, that if you go and check the installment tracker, so you can see here that 1st October is the due date, that is 1 month locking period. Now let's say, suppose let's receive 2000, and on this date let's receive this amount 2000, and let's check the installment tracker. So if you check here, just uncheck and just refresh the installment tracker, and here you can see that interest is 150 and that installment late fee because of due 10 is calculated. So after that we have received this 3160 is the next amount of principal. So it is calculating on daily basis. So if you check here, the late fee is calculated is 10. So you can see here 10 is calculated. So this type runtime interest will work in Jainam software. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. And don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.